Alrighty then, bed set, mounted. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the lights. We're running these Beyers stop, tail, turn, strobe, and backup all in one units. They're pretty sexy. The only thing I need to do is I need to add 2 wires to the harness. So it's a 7 wire. So stop, tail, turn, ground, strobe, backup, and then your 2 sync wires. So let's get on it. So I string the harness out so I can get to everything, and I'm just going to add a 2 wire to these. So I run my 2 wire down, do my connections. Of course, I'm only doing 5 because I'm not going to sync them or the other one's the pattern or some crap like that. Anyway, so I'm only using 5 wires. So I add a 2 wire to my harness, and yeah, then I'll pop it in and go to town. Here we go. So just a little note, when you're running your wires, you should have a yellow and a green wire for your turn signals. Green always goes on the right or the passenger side of the vehicle. It just helps with future diagnostics. If you ever need to chase down a wire or something like that, that's the standard norm. So just a thought. And here's something I like to do to retain my wires. I'll take a little stainless steel washer, tack it in place, miscellaneous locations to help to tie up my wires and they don't fall down. Just make sure and let them cool down before you zip tie them down. Yeah, kind of like that. So let's get our wires tied up and then we're going to start going into the box. All right, full function check. Everything works out good. Spreader lights work. Yay! And there's the gratuitous shot of the junction box. I think that turned out okay. The only thing I need now is the front cab strobes, and we're done. We've got the lights mounted. We'll just do the surface mounts. So nice and simple there. Just need to wire them in and then run a wire to the back. So let's do that. And there we go. All the lights are good. Yay! So lights are done. Now we're going to move on to the spreader. So